Hi, good morning. This is video of parasitic group, and let's talk about the sexual reproduction of humans. I'm showing how to function or work the human reproductive system, and I'm given the advantage and disadvantages of human sexual reproduction system. So, before we start, this is the expected you will learn on this topic. Number one is you can determine the advantages of sexual reproduction of humans. And number two, you can determine the disadvantages of sexual reproduction of humans. And number three, you can determine what is the genetic variation. So, this is the disadvantages of sexual reproduction of humans. Number one is time and energy to find a mate or partner. Why? Because the sexual reproduction is need a partner. And if human no partner, it is called asexual. To find a partner, it is a need of time and energy because the human need to know the identity of his partner. The human is the unique species of all. Why? Because the human have a brain. The human have a common sense. The human is easy to learn something on his environment. If human no partner, no genetic variation exists. And the number two, it is not possible for an individual to reproduce. The human are need partner to reproduce. If human no partner, no child produce, and no genetic variation exists.
Good morning po ma'am. This is my video of advantage of human sexual reproduction. What are the advantage of human sexual reproduction? Produce genetic variation in the offspring? Yes, because if no genetic variation, the offspring have a high possibility affected on disease of his parent, and the offspring some species of his parent if no genetic variation. The human can adapt to new environments due to variation, which gives them a survival advantage. Yes, we can survive in our environment using our identity. If the humans have identity, the humans are possible having a job. If humans have a job, the percentage of humans survive on environment is high. A disease is less likely to affect all the individuals in population. Yes, if the people have own genetics variation, the percentage your affect and disease is low because genetic variation is the differences between people. Thank you po ma'am. Thank you po ma'am.
What is the genetic variation? A genetic variation is the permanent change in DNA sequence that make up a genetic. This type of genetic change used to be known as a genetic mutation, but because change in DNA do not always cause disease, it is thought that genetic variant is the more accurate term. Variant can affect on more DNA building block inactivated in a genetic.
On to the go.
Where genetic variation inherited or hereditary variants are passed from parents to child in our parents talk out. A person life in virtually very cells in the body.